In this quick video guide, we're just going to have a quick look to Lightroom and what we can do with that. So it's going to be just an introduction. We're not going to go into deep with that because if you want, you can find a Photoshop video course and you'll find all the tools you find in Lightroom already in Photoshop. So you can search for Lightroom on the web, and we're going to take a look to the web Lightroom app, which will help us to understand a little bit more what we can do with this. And it's about editing photos essentially. So it's about photography. If you want to improve and adjust, you want to do color correction, and make more professional photos, you can use just Lightroom. If you want like some extended features, you probably want to switch to Photoshop because you have much more tools, and you can create graphics, you can do vector graphics, and much more. So if you're interested in Photoshop, just have a look to the Photoshop course in the channel. Otherwise, you can proceed with Lightroom. Again, it is specific for photo editing. So you have also here a Lightroom downloader, and this is the web, and it will help you to understand what you're gonna do. Is you can see here you have these switches, so you can try the Lightroom color correction, and you can work with exposure, with contrast, with the lights, with the shadows, with the midtones. So this is what you do mostly in color correction, and you have like adjustment layers in Photoshop that you can also use, and you can do like black and white. You can use a specific color. So this is just you know showing you how it's going to work, and it's going to be really fast, it's going to be really easy. Lightroom just takes away everything that you don't need in terms of photo editing, specifically photo editing. Now if you want to know more, if you go down, you can see you can also do a download of the trial version. So there is a free trial version, you can try it, and you can use this website to see the various tools that you will find inside. Also, if you want to remove content using like AI and smart tools, you can do that. And you can apply filters like for black and white effects and preset filters. You can remove, you can select easily, you can mask easily, so you can work with background, foreground, etc., etc. Again, it's all every tool can be found in Photoshop. Now, if you go in the web, it's kind of a learning application that you can just play and you can go back and forward. You can see how this author here started from this image and then eventually arrived to his final black and white image by going through all these different steps that are listed on the right side. So if you're a beginner, if you have a look to this, it's going to really help you to understand the work that is behind, getting from a beginner photo to a professional photo. So you can see you need to work with each single aspect. So the colors, the whites, the blacks, the high tones, the low tones, the mid tones, and so on. And you can also apply masks to limit the effect, or you can crop part of the image that you don't need. So you can change the format, the resolution, you can use curves, and much more. So you see here there are authors on the top right that you can also share this if you want. So there are authors that kind of edited this more, and you can check everything, nice and easy. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. If you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter, and see you in the next video.